Good morning, everyone. So yes, I am back again with a blog for the day after a very long time. Sorry for that, but yes, little busy here and there. So today is again an important day for Shane. Yes, because he's having a sports day in his school, and his parents are also invited for the sports. So I am ready. Shane is ready, having a breakfast with you. And for a parent, why I'm vlogging. You always know I'm vlogging if I'm excited for something or something if I want to capture some moment or anything, just vlog. Yes, so today Shane is going to have a sports, the final sports day. Every parent basically, not every, I don't know about others, but I basically is very excited to see my child. How is he going to be in this in the activities like the sports. I love sports. I used to not like studying. I used to love sports. I don't know what is my child's interest going to be. So yes, I'm excited to see his interest. Whether when you're standing in a race, he'll be like bhula, like what to do, or want to run fast and be first. Or the excitement, like what is his curiosity, what he'll be. So yes, I will capture that moment for sure and be posting it on YouTube. You guys please stay tuned and watch my child. Yes, he's wearing a red and black attire for the day, nursery, so he's asked to wear a red and black attire for the day. Okay guys, we're ready, so we are going. We're late, we're rushing fast. Let's see you guys. Hop.
Stretch. Bend down. Horse pose with right leg. Mountain pose. To the beat of the drum. Watch them showcase their agility, coordination, and spread up.
Hello guys, so you can see Shane there. They are getting ready for the yoga session over here. So see, he's waving at me from there.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, clap, 2, clap, 3, clap, 4, clap, 5, clap, 6, clap, 7, clap, 8, clap, 1, clap.
Come on, Maria!
Children, cheer for your friends.
Marisa, faster! Marisa, faster! Marisa, faster! Come on! Come on! Come on, come on, Zia! Come on, Shane! Run, Shane, run! Yes, Shane! Run! Come on, yeah!
Come on, athletes.
So there guys, you can see how he's excited when he's in the school. This part of Shane I've never seen when he was in school. So here they're heading ahead for their medal. So see, he's trying to search me, and I've been recording him every time whenever he's on the tough ground. Yeah. So guys, see this part. This part is going to be his first medal of his life and ahead for the next 21 years. So this moment for me is a very proud moment as a parent to see a child wearing a medal in his neck. He doesn't know what is happening, but I know what is happening and what is father gonna be in his, like, the excitement. You see, he's trying to search me here, and I'm trying to ask him to show the medal. See the cute little buddies, how cute they are looking with the medals. The grandparents were being asked to come and ahead and take part in this activity. So you see how the grandparents have come ahead and they are encouraging their child in the sport event. How cute, like living their childhood moments again. The school is giving us opportunity to play and live your childhood moment or what you used to do in school. These are the parents, the mother parents, they are doing tug of war. Even I participated in reverse walking, which I came third. And you see how the team, they're playing the spirit, like like it's never late for anything. Just enjoy and live the moment. So beautiful.